Hey, and welcome back to another episode of Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. And joining me today is Mr. Barry, the Cajun Keto Chef. So make sure you check out his YouTube channel if you want to learn how to cook some delicious Cajun dishes and have them keto friendly. All right, guys. So, but what I'm doing today is I was going through some of my older videos, and this is what I've been working on the last few weeks and the next coming weeks, is I had some shitty videos. I mean, the quality was bad, the lighting was bad, the audio was bad, and I sound like some of them, I sound like that dude on PBS with the oil painting. We're gonna use some blue today, and you'll use your brush. Yeah, it sounded like that. So we're gonna be redoing a lot of my older videos, and I'm gonna actually leave them on my YouTube channel so you can go back and compare them, and I'd like you to do that. I have my margarita recipe, which we're doing today. If you haven't figured it out, by the empty margarita glasses, and compare my old video to this one. Guys, leave a comment, let me know what you think. But we're gonna go ahead and get started with our low carb, keto friendly margarita.
That's right.
That's it. And
my favorite.
It's Mr. Barry's favorite. It's Miss Kelly, my wife's favorite. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So, in our tin, small tin is you wanna build in, large tin you shake in. So we're gonna start off with 2 ounces of tequila. Remember that Exotico?
There we go.
Exotico is a really great, basically my everyday tequila. 20 bucks on average, and
I'm out.
You're gonna have a margarita in a minute.
There we go.
It's about $20 a bottle, and I would actually compare this to any tequila that's, you know, pushing that $30, $40 price range. I personally think it's underpriced. Shh, don't tell them I don't need Exotico up in their price. It's a great tequila for the price. So we're gonna do 2 ounces of tequila. Blanco tequila is usually best for margarita. Reposado tones that sweetness and that earthiness down. A little fruitiness comes down with Reposado. With your Blanco, your silver white tequilas, for margarita should be kind of fruity and have a nice earthy note to it. So we're gonna do 2 ounces of our tequila and 1 ounce of our lime juice. Now, a tequila follows a basic sour recipe of 2-1-1. 2 ounces of spirit, 1 ounce sour, 1 ounce sweet. So we're gonna do 1 ounce of our lime juice. Normally I would have a fresh lime juice squeeze, but I only got 1 lime left and I want a nice garnish, so I'm not using it. Real lime, there are some carbs in this. The bottle says 0. If you watch one of my other videos, I'll put it right here. I'm sorry I lied to you, because I was lied to. It's not 0 carbs, and it took them, I don't know, 6 months to get back with me. But they did give me the nutritional information, and this is 2 grams of carbs per ounce, whereas fresh lime juice, yeah, I've been drinking already. Lime juice is 2.5 grams of carbs. So you'll save a half gram of carb by using real lime, and real lime is actually the best tasting lime juice, closest to a fresh lime juice as I can get. Hence the name, I guess, why they call it real lime. It tastes like close to real lime juice. So we're gonna do 1 ounce of our lime juice. Actually, let's do this. We have 2 empty glasses. We're gonna make 2 margaritas.
That's what I'm talking about.
So basically, if you're gonna be doing 2 cocktails in 1 shaker, just double your recipe. So we got 4 ounces of tequila. We have 2 ounces of lime juice. Now, this is where it comes in to get keto friendly. Now, normally I would say use an orange liqueur like a triple sec, high in carbs. And if you check out my video right above Barry's head, it'll be how to make a 0 carb orange liqueur. But I got a week before it's ready, so we're gonna make this really simple, really easy, where you don't have to go through. Yeah, Barry's got it right here.
We got it.
Yeah, so
we just made it a little while ago.
Yeah, so that's my video I just finished. So we're gonna show you how to do this without that wait time, and pretty simple, by using an Allulose syrup. You hear me preach about Allulose all the time. There's a link in the description below where you can purchase this on Amazon. Yes, it's an affiliate link. Yes, it does help me out, and thank you. So we're gonna do 2 ounces of our Allulose simple syrup. And there. So this is where the sweetener comes in. Now, the thing about margaritas, I think when people say margarita, they got this margarita, that margarita, this margarita. And to me, a margarita must have orange in it. I've seen all these people come up, this kind of margarita, but there's no orange in it. It's just, they think if you put lime juice and tequila together, you can call it something a margarita. Not really. A margarita is going to have some type of orange in it, other than just the other citrus other than just lime. So instead, what we're going to do is we're going to be using an orange extract. So this is super easy, and there's no carbs in orange extract. So I'm going to just measure this with Mr. Barry.
Yep. Which you need a quarter ounce.
Normally on one cocktail we do a quarter teaspoon on one drink. Since we're doing 2 drinks, we're gonna do a half a teaspoon of our orange extract. So in here we're gonna get some ice. Some ice to shake. And well, actually, no, before I do that, I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna bring these this way a little bit. Now, some people like a salted rim, some people don't. He likes a salted rim, my wife really doesn't. But I found this really cool thing, so let me get this. And this is Twangarita. This is flavored lime salts. Or flavored, this one in particular is the lemon and lime. So,
first time I tried it, it's amazing.
And then we're gonna take this, we use this to, you always wanna take your lime and just run it around your glass. That's what makes the salt stick to the glass, is having a little bit of lime juice around the edge. So we're gonna go ahead and do it. My wife's over there waiting for her margarita. So we're gonna do half of the glass rim and some salt. So just a little bit. And she got a spot where it's not this. So she wants some salt in it, she can drink from that side. She doesn't, she can drink from the side without.
Not all the way around.
So what Mr. Barry we're gonna do is, in a sauce, you put that in there and just go all up around, inside and outside. Now this will put some salt on the inside of the rim, and that salt will fall in the drink, so that'll help enhance the flavor a little bit.
Absolutely.
So there you go, we got a little salt rim there.
Nice.
So now let's talk about the cocktail, the garnish. So what you want to do is just split it in half, and then just twist. Look how pretty that is from the top. So a lot of people just put a lime wedge on it. That's boring.
He almost looks like he knows what he's doing.
I try. So we're gonna go ahead and put our 2 cocktails in here. Give this a good shake. All right. So now what we do a bit different is, you don't see any ice in here, so some people will just dump the ice in here. I'm not a big fan of dump and pour, which is what it's called, is where you just take the ice you shook with and dump it in here. Because the ice is not there just to chill your cocktail, it's there as an ingredient for dilution. You have to have the right amount of water in your cocktail to really kind of counteract how strong the alcohol is. So ice is actually an ingredient from the dilution. So if you use this ice has been sitting in a drink, so if you pour it in there, it's gonna melt a lot faster because it's already sort of melting.
Right.
So for the margarita on the rocks, you want to use some fresh ice. And really with any cocktail that's served over ice, you want to use fresh ice on your drinks. We cut another thin, and the thinner you cut your lime wheel, I always call these things limes or lemons. Like seriously, I call lemons limes and limes lemons all the time.
Depends how many drinks you had.
So next we're going to go ahead and bust open our can using your Hawthorne strainer. This is one of my favorite ones. This is a Pina strainer, and I'll put a link in the description below to this strainer. I like that it's got a nice little finger rest on it, so it's really comfortable, easy to use. And there you have a 2-carb, keto-friendly margarita.
Amazing.
And there you go.
Amazing.
And then with your garnish, like I said, you'll take your lime wheel that's cut right to the center, twist that, set that right on top.
Wow.
And here, set this one.
He almost looks like he knows what he's doing.
Like I said, I try. All right, guys. So, Miss Mary, try it out. I know you like margaritas.
All right.
Miss Kim,
Come here.
yours. I was bringing this to her. Oh, here's this Phil.
All right.
Yours is Phil a little high.
Rocket chop. Oh my God. All I can say is, oh my God. This is amazing.
So, yeah, guys.
That's why I come over here all the time. I love his margaritas.
That's it. So, guys, super simple. Tequila, of course, for a margarita. Lime juice, of course, for a margarita. Then you take a simple syrup. Use Allulose, 0 grams of carbs. There's a lot of other sweeteners you can use. Use the sweetener you want, but know how to make the syrup with it, because you do have to change dilutions on some sweeteners. Then the secret ingredient is the orange extract. So guys, thank y'all for watching, because when he's finished this one, he'll be having a good day.
That's it.
I got a few more videos to do coming up right behind this one. I'll definitely be having a good day too. See y'all later.
Goodbye, y'all.